Get out of the sun. Man, all the dust come from. Welcome back to the All Seasons channel. Another Quick Tip Tuesday on Wednesday. Got a customer called, said my air conditioner's making terrible vibration, and come down and talk to them, find out they didn't run that air conditioner at all last year, and when they tried to use it this year, it vibrated. So I thought, bet you it's mud daubers. And so I went up, took the cover off, and felt on the back side of the fan, and sure enough, mud daubers. So I just took the fan off, and here's what I found. There's your classic mud dauber nest. That little nest is not very big, it's not very heavy, but man, it'll make a fan out of round and out of out of balance and really make a lot of noise. So I'm gonna let Cameron hold the camera while I tear in the nest here and see what's in there. I don't think there's anything live in it. No, everything's gone. There's the little cocoons. Yeah, everything's gone. But all I'm going to do is make sure all this mud dauber's nest's off here and put it back together, and I guarantee you it will be good to go. So there you have it. There's a real quick tip Tuesday. Quick tip Tuesday on Wednesday. So if you start your air conditioner up and it vibrates like crazy, might want to check for mud dauber's nest. So that's all I got for today. Me and Cameron, we're going to go down we're going to finish this one up, and then we're going to go down the road and we're going to fix another one. So y'all have a great day, and please go down there and give this video a like, subscribe, comment, do all the normal stuff. Thanks for watching.